Welcome to session 19 of Teaching Aptitude. Today we will refer to some extra notes. It's going to be a quick session, and some notes, I feel some points are really important. However, they cannot be fit into some, under any subtopic. So I've made extra notes here. So when you're asked which method there is maximum participation of students, then it's discussion method. Freedom of interaction to learners, again discussion method. Then we have interactive and student centric method, then it's again discussion method. The best method of teaching is discussion method, and when you participate in it. Then again there's best method of teaching, so then it is demonstration method. Now you'll say how two different methods, and they both belong to the best method of teaching. So there was a question which had discussion method and it had demonstration method as well. Okay, when there are both these methods, then you have to select the discussion method, of course. Okay, there is no going back from the discussion method. But when there is no discussion method given in the options, then you have to select the demonstration method. So that's how it is. So both the questions were asked. These are all PYQs that have been asked, but there are little differences here and there. So when you have demonstration method, discussion method, lab method, and some other method, that time you have to select discussion method. But when you don't have discussion method in your options, you have to go for the demonstration method. Now, the method that encourages the use of maximum senses is hands-on learning method or the lab method. Okay, then we move on to the next set of extra notes. Now, what is the aim? It is to address individual differences. Then, what is active learning? What is cooperative learning? Inductive learning? Deductive teaching? Then you have to understand, you have to remember this. Active learning is where students solve the problems. Students are active basically. Okay, so that is active learning. Answers to the questions, they make questions, they also discuss them and debate over it. That is active learning. The cooperative learning is when students work in teams and they assure positive interdependence. They all work so responsibility, they show team spirit, and that is cooperative learning. Okay, then we have inductive learning, learning or teaching, and then we have deductive teaching. Now, inductive is always remember P to G. IPG. I don't know how you remember this. IPG is inductive learning, particular to general, question to solution. But deductive is of course opposite. That is DGP is general to particular, solution to question. Now, this is again the inductive learning is also called as inquiry based learning, case based instruction, problem based learning, project based learning. So these are the few different names that you have to remember, and students are given a challenge or a question and they explore its possible solutions. In deductive teaching, students are already given with the solution and they have to apply it for everything. So that's how a solution is given to them. They are taught with a concept and they have to apply it everywhere. What is cybernetics? So cybernetics learn using computer, and then we have computer aided instruction. So that's how we have finished our extra notes, and thank you so much. See you for the next session.